Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises versatility, portability, and simplicity, the electric hot pot 2L. This little cooker is aiming to be your go-to for quick meals, whether you're at home, in a dorm, or even out camping. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about its core functionality. This is a 700-watt electric cooking pot, but it's not just a one-trick pony. It comes with dual power settings, offering both 300 watts and 700 watts. This is fantastic because it allows you to tailor the heat to your needs. The 300-watt setting is perfect for simmering, keeping things warm, or gently cooking delicate items like oatmeal. Then, when you need to get things done quickly, you can crank it up to 700 watts for faster cooking. The product details specifically mention it's ideal for steak, pasta, oatmeal, and soup. They also clearly state it's not recommended for rice, which is an important note for potential buyers. If you're looking for a dedicated rice cooker, this isn't it, but for other quick meals, the dual power seems promising. The capacity is 2 liters. This is a sweet spot for many situations. It's described as ideal for 1 to 3 people, which makes it perfect for individuals, couples, or even small groups of friends cooking together. Think of it as a personal or small group hot pot experience without the need for a large, elaborate setup. This portability is further enhanced by its design. It's lightweight and comes with a detachable power cord, which is a significant plus for storage and for taking it on the go. The idea of using this for camping or picnics is genuinely appealing. It means you can have a hot, home-cooked meal in places where you'd normally be limited to cold sandwiches or pre-packaged snacks. Now, let's discuss the materials and safety features, which are always crucial when we talk about kitchen appliances. This hot pot is crafted with a non-toxic ceramic glaze coating. This is great for healthy cooking, as it prevents potentially harmful substances from leaching into your food. Furthermore, this ceramic glaze is designed for easy cleaning. Non-stick surfaces are a game-changer for busy home cooks, and the fact that it's also non-toxic adds a layer of confidence. In terms of safety, it includes overheating and boil-dry protection. These are essential features that prevent accidents and prolong the life of the appliance. If you forget about it for a moment, or if it runs out of water, these protections should kick in to keep you and your kitchen safe. The versatility of this pot is a major selling point. It's not just for boiling. You can sauté steak, cook pasta, make ramen, prepare oatmeal, and even fry eggs. The dual power settings really come into play here, allowing you to adjust the cooking method. The bright white, chic, and lovely design also makes it aesthetically pleasing. It's not just a functional appliance, it's something you wouldn't mind having on your countertop or even serving from. They even suggest it as an excellent gift choice, and I can see why. For students, young professionals, or anyone in a smaller living space, this could be a very practical and appreciated present. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the dual power settings offer excellent control and flexibility. The 2-liter capacity is ideal for small households or individuals. The non-toxic ceramic glaze coating is a big win for health-conscious users and makes cleanup a breeze. The portability, especially with the detachable cord, is a standout feature for those who like to cook away from their primary kitchen. The safety features like overheating and boil-dry protection provide peace of mind. And let's not forget its attractive design, making it a pleasant addition to any kitchen. However, there are a few cons to consider. The most prominent is the explicit note that it's not recommended for cooking rice. If rice is a staple in your diet, you'll need a separate appliance for that. Also, while 700 watts is decent for a portable cooker, it might not be as fast as a full-sized stovetop burner, especially for larger quantities or thicker cuts of meat. The 2-liter capacity, while a pro for some, might be too small for families or larger gatherings. Lastly, for truly intensive cooking that requires precise temperature control for extended periods, like slow simmering for hours, this might not offer the same level of performance as more specialized appliances. In conclusion, This 2-liter electric hot pot is a compelling option for anyone seeking a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use cooking solution. Its dual power, healthy non-stick coating, and excellent portability make it a strong contender for dorm rooms, small apartments, RVs, or even for adding a bit of convenience to your main kitchen for quick meals. Just remember its limitations, especially regarding rice. If your cooking needs align with its strengths, this could be a fantastic addition to your culinary arsenal. Link in the description.